how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. So if you want to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free, then there are some steps. So the first thing is on your computer itself or laptop itself. You just need to simply open up your settings, and under settings you need to go with Windows Update, which is here on the bottom left, and you just need to simply go with check for updates, and if you have any updates then it will automatically update your Windows. Or you can simply go with update and you'll be able to update your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So this is one way. But if you're not being able to update, then your PC might not be able to meet the requirements, because if it doesn't meet the requirements then it will not update to Windows 11. So your PC should support the secure boost, and the processor should be supported for Windows 11, and there must be at least 4 GB of system memory RAM, and all of these specifications. So you just need to simply have your laptop or your PC must be eligible for that. Or you can just simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And under your browser, you can simply go and search for download Windows 11, and here you will have www.microsoft.com, and under that you will have download Windows 11. You just need to simply go with that, and here you will have download now option. You just need to simply click on download now and you'll be able to download Windows 11 for free. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.